No, Halestorm fans do not sleep. We all will sleep when we're dead.
They don't sleep.
We do not sleep. All right. You ready, Joe?
I'm stirred.
You stirred?
Okay. Noise.
Aliens are coming.
It's some interference here.
All right, we're gonna ignore that. God's trying to tell us something. Someone's trying to tell us that we shouldn't do this song. But see, the evil people in the audience, that's what they need to hear.
Let's just play the damn song.